Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Bernadette here. So for tonight's story, I'll be reading Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. See him sleeping? Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but Bear snores on. See him snoring? An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. So he made a fire. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. See him? Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Hi, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. So there's the popcorn and there's the tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. So did that wake up the bear? All the burping and the slurping? Nope. Bear's still sleeping. A badger scuttles by. Sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." They're eating the nuts. And they nibble and they munch with a chew-chop crunch. But the bear snores on. Didn't wake him up. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in a great bear's den. See everybody around the campfire? They tweet and they twitter and they chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Fire. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear go ha-choo! He blows and sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. See, they're all froze. Uh-oh. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Because he got woken up. I think they're worried. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I've had none. Any whimpers, any moans, any wails, any groans, and the bear blubbers on. Well, he's sad, Bear. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn and brew more tea. You want to give him some popcorn and tea. Bear gulps and he gobbles. He sighs with delight, and then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. And when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. So they all fell asleep on Bear. See that? So boys and girls, I hope you've enjoyed the story, and I'll see you next week. Bye.